Let's face it, a clean car just feels good. It's more than just about appearances, though. Regularly cleaning your car inside and out is an essential part of car ownership. Not only does it keep your vehicle looking its best, but it also protects your investment and can even improve its resale value down the line. Think of it this way, a little elbow grease today can save you a lot of headaches and money tomorrow. Before you even think about grabbing a sponge, it's crucial to gather the right tools for the job. Having the proper supplies can make all the difference in achieving a professional level clean. Don't skimp on quality when it comes to car cleaning supplies. High-quality products not only make the job easier, but also protect your car's finish. Invest in car-specific products like microfiber wash mitts, pH-balanced car wash soap, and dedicated wheel cleaners. These items are designed to be gentle on your car's surfaces while effectively removing dirt and grime. Remember, your car's paint is delicate, and harsh household cleaners can do more harm than good. Using the wrong products can lead to scratches, fading, and other damage that can be costly to repair. Always work in a shaded area to prevent water spots. Direct sunlight can cause the water to evaporate too quickly, leaving unsightly spots on your car's surface. Start by giving your car a good rinse to remove loose dirt and debris. This initial rinse helps to prevent scratching the paint when you begin the washing process. Taking these steps will set you up for success and ensure your car looks its best. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is using household cleaners on your car's paint. These products are not formulated for automotive surfaces and can cause significant damage over time. Dish soap, while great for dishes, can strip away the protective wax layer on your car's finish, leaving it vulnerable to scratches and fading. This wax layer is essential for protecting your car from the elements including UV rays, rain, and dirt. Similarly, avoid using abrasive materials like old rags or sponges, as these can scratch the paint. Instead, opt for microfiber towels or specialized car wash mitts that are designed to be gentle on your car's surface. Dry your car thoroughly after washing to prevent water spots, and never use a circular motion when drying, as this can also lead to swirl marks in the paint. Always use a straight line motion and a clean, dry microfiber towel to ensure a spotless finish. Taking these extra steps will help maintain your car's appearance and extend the life of its paint job. Section 4. Inside and out. Tackling the interior and exterior. When cleaning the interior, start by removing any trash and loose items. This will make the rest of the cleaning process much easier and more efficient. Use a vacuum cleaner with various attachments to reach those nooks and crannies where crumbs and dirt accumulate. Pay special attention to areas under the seats and in between the seat cushions. For the upholstery, a fabric cleaner or a simple solution of water and mild soap will do the trick. Gently scrub the fabric to lift stains and dirt, and then blot with a clean, dry cloth. Don't forget to clean the floor mats. Remove them from the car and give them a good shake to get rid of loose dirt. Then, vacuum and wash them thoroughly. For the exterior, use a 2-bucket method. 1 bucket for soapy water and 1 for rinsing your wash mitt. This technique is essential for keeping your car's paint in good condition. The first bucket should contain a mixture of water and car wash soap, while the second bucket is filled with clean water for rinsing. This helps prevent dirt from being transferred back onto the car's surface. Always start washing from the top of the car and work your way down to avoid spreading dirt to already cleaned areas. After washing, dry the car with a microfiber towel to prevent water spots and streaks. Make sure to dry all areas, including door jambs and mirrors. For an extra layer of protection, consider applying a coat of wax. This will not only give your car a shiny finish, but also protect the paint from environmental damage. Section 5. The benefits of a sparkling ride more than just aesthetics. Regular car maintenance goes hand in hand with cleaning. By keeping your car clean, you're more likely to notice any potential issues early on. For example, a small chip in the paint can quickly turn into a rust spot if left unattended. Regular cleaning also allows you to inspect your tires for wear and tear, check your fluid levels, and ensure all your lights are in working order. Section 6. Keep it clean, your car will thank you. Remember, a clean car is a happy car and a happy car owner. By following these simple do's and don'ts, you can keep your vehicle looking its best for years to come. Regular cleaning not only protects your investment, but also enhances your driving experience. So grab your cleaning supplies and show your car some love.